Sharma,
will be delivering your news for today.
Let's see the highlights first.
The open door assessment was conducted from 14th to 18th of June.
The induction of the promoters of government of community and of society was conducted on 17th of June.
The students meticulously prepared for the periodic test 1.
The periodic test 1 was held from 22nd of June to 26th of June. It is a great sorrow to tell of the demise of our former principal, Dr. Vasudevan, who passed away on 25th of June.
The interclusters were organized from 27th to 28th of June.
The last round of spell bee was held on 29th of June. The classes 7th and 8th went on spiritual camps on 27th of June to Alibag and Silvassa respectively.
Let's get into the news in detail. The primary stars had an open door assessment. This helped the teachers understand the areas of improvement and the children had fun in paper solving.
We would like to announce that previous students of the primary section have been appointed as the promoters of well-being of community and of society. They have been chosen on basis of the leadership qualities and the virtues that they followed past year.
Promoters are chosen because we are there for helping them, and when they are needed studies, we should be guiding them. If there are any issues in like situations or matters, we are always having their back.
The promoters are supposed to help them, not control them. We must help them always, in any difficulty. We are the sisters and brothers for them. We can help them in studies and etc.
The promoters are changed every 3 months. So we have 3 batches so that every senior most of the primary gets a chance. We are the senior most children in primary and we should help the children and teachers etc. We should serve them and guide them.
The students have been working very hard in order to excel in their examinations. They have been very committed to their academics.
Let's get to know the perspective of the new students who have just finished their preparations for the PT1.
Hello everyone, my name is Sashika Sharma. I have pursued commerce in class 11. I'm really glad that I got an opportunity to come here. The teachers are really helpful in class 11. I'm really glad that the teachers have my back in class 11.
I am Khushi Ahuja from 11th Commerce and I am new in New Era, and this is my first time for PT1 and I am really working hard. All the teachers have been really supportive and all the friends have been really supportive throughout. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jackie Chabria from grade 9. I am a new student in New Era High School. My periodic tests 1 are going on. At first I felt a bit nervous, but now I am feeling confident about myself that I can perform well. Here teachers are very supportive. They are always ready to clear our doubts. They are very kind to us. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Karishma Adia. I'm from 12th Commerce, and as it's my board year, I'm trying to give my 100% in my PT1 preparation, and I'm just trying to give my best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm pursuing Commerce 11th standard. Being a new student in New Era, I was really scared about PT1, but my teachers are so helpful and so understanding that they clear all my doubts and make the concepts easier. It's a great opportunity for me to prove myself every day and make myself better. Thank you very much.
The periodic test was held from 22nd to 26th of June. The hard work that the students put in this quarter has shown in the results.
Everything that they work hard for has paid off. Let's recollect the memories from PT1.
Good morning everyone, our PT1 has just come to an end right now and we have some of our friends who will tell us about how their PT1 had gone. So Deepak, can you tell me how your PT1 went?
Yeah, I worked hard for it and it paid off and my teacher will be proud of me.
Thank you Deepak. But yeah, how did your paper go?
Yeah, it's very nice. I get 20 out of 20.
That's great. Yeah, how was your paper?
And now last it was like, so I'm waiting for it to get over.
Okay.
How was your paper today? Can you explain more?
It was very nice.
How much did you get?
20 out of 20.
Oh, that's great. Dean, how was your paper today?
Easy peasy. I'm going to score above 15.
Oh, that's great. Good, good. And how was your chemistry paper today? Thank you. Vishna, how did your business studies paper go today?
Very nice. It was lengthy, but it was very nice. I have done all that.
Thank you.
Dr. Vasudevan Nair, who served the school for 17 years from the year 1982 to 1998. The school offered prayers as a mark of respect for the years of service that the school is always going to be grateful for.
The outdoor club duration has come to an end. Panchgani is known for its sceneries, mountains and the beautiful weather. Its most awaited monsoon gives the chance to the students to take part in various indoor activities such as table tennis, carom, chess and badminton.
The classes 9 to 12 had their interclusters from 28th of June to 29th of June. All of us were very keen to know which house would score the most points. All of us participated and wanted to earn the most points for the house.
Your goal should be out of reach but never out of sight. Hello everyone. As all of us are aware that Panchgani is known for its monsoon rains and the lush green valleys. With the monsoon comes the most awaited event of New Era, the Indoor Interclusters 2024. So today with us we have our beloved sports teacher, Mr. Ashok. So let us hear from him what are his plans and arrangements for the intercluster.
As usual, every year we used to have intercluster girls and boys indoor sports activities every year. So today we have carom, chess, then table tennis and badminton intercluster. You can see that the enthusiasm between children, they are really enjoying this rainy season. Thank you very much.
So here we have two of our friends who are going to be the table tennis intercluster. So let us hear from them what they have prepared for.
After my PD1 got over, I started preparing for the match under the guidance of Mr. Ashok and Mr. Riaz. I hope I win today as it is my last one. I have put in a lot of effort and worked very hard for winning my tournament today. But it does not matter if I win or lose because playing is not for winning, it's for the experience you gain from it.
I, Devanshi Solanki, with camera person Arya Rajpure, New Era News, Panchgani.
Standard 8th on their way to camp were greeted with snacks and smiling faces. They were accompanied by the school alumni, animators and teachers who taught them about lower and higher nature. When we saw them again, they were glowing with new morals.
Class 7th went to Alibag on 27th of June. Their journey began with prayers followed by laughter which followed them throughout the camp. They were taught love, compassion and kindness. Their enthusiasm could still be seen on the way back. Thank you so much for watching New Era News. We'll be back very soon with another amazing episode.
Till then, Hasta luego.
Hasta la vista.
Goodbye.
Standard 8 on their way to campus.
Class 7.
Standard 8 on their way to Silvassa were greeted with smiling faces and snacks. I don't know what to say. Standard 8
Class 7. Wait.
Now don't know.
No.
Who's going to